So with Instagram, there's actually third-party apps and websites that basically claim that they will help you unfollow everyone on your Instagram account. However, you do need to log in on those, and you have to enter your username as well as your password. And those are actually all just hacking and scamming accounts that will basically just steal your information and then hack your account. So I do strongly advise you not to download any sort of websites or apps that claim they can do that. Here's what you actually need to do. First, you want to click on the three lines right over here on the top right corner, and then now you want to click on Settings and Privacy. Once you're in Settings and Privacy, you want to scroll all the way down to the really bottom, and then under More Info and Support, it says Help. You want to click on Help. And then now you want to click on Report a Problem on the very top. Click on Report Problem Without Shaking. And then click on Include and Continue. From here, you want to briefly tell Instagram your problem. So you see something like, hello Instagram, I follow so many people, and give them the exact amount of people that you're following, but I want to unfollow everyone. However, that will take super long time for me. Can you please do it for me? Thanks. And after that, just simply click on the send button on the top right corner, and then within about a day to 2 business days, then Instagram will get back to you and literally help you unfollow everyone.